What's going on, outdoor fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best emergency radios in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these radios, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video or dislike it if you're feeling salty today, and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first emergency radio we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Catio Voyager Pro KA600. Next up, in our number 4 spot, we've got the Esky ES-CR01. Coming up next in our number 3 spot, we've got the Eton Scorpion 2. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we've got the RunningSnail MD-090. Last but not least, coming in at number 1 on our list, we've got the Eton Ultimate Camping Radio. Alright, outdoor fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which emergency radio you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.